Mabuhay! Good morning! Thank you for calling room service. This is Erica. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to order breakfast.
Certainly. Before anything else, ma'am, may I know who's on the other line and your room number, please?
I'm Aliana from room 101.
Thank you, ma'am, for the selection of our breakfast. We have American, continental, and Filipino breakfast. Which one would you prefer, ma'am?
I want to order Filipino breakfast.
Alright, ma'am. For your Filipino breakfast, we have the following. Beef tapa with scrambled egg and pork tocino with scrambled egg. Which one would you prefer?
I'll take the pork tocino with scrambled egg, please.
And for your fresh fruit, we have orange, mango, and apple. What would you prefer?
Mango, please.
How about for your beverage? We have coffee and tea. What would you prefer?
Coffee with creamer, and can you mix it, please?
Sure, ma'am. You have already a complete set of Filipino breakfast. Is there anything else? If not, may I repeat your order, ma'am? You have ordered pork tocino with scrambled egg, mango, and coffee with creamer. Did I take it all correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's all correct.
May I ask how many people your order is for?
Good for 2 persons.
I'll take note. How would you like to settle your bill? Cash, credit, card, or charge to your room?
Please charge in our room, please.
The amount that will be charged in your room is 1,580 pesos.
Thank you, and my dad will receive the order.
Alright, ma'am. Your order will be served at room 101 after 30 minutes. Please feel free to call the room service if you have any additional order. Thank you for calling and have a nice day.
Okay, noted.
Mabuhay! Good morning, sir. I am Ronnie, and here is your room service order. May I come in?
Yes, you can be inside.
Excuse me, sir. Where would you like me to set up your food, sir?
Shall I leave it to the plate or would you like me to set up in the table? The table, please.
Excuse me, ma'am, sir. May I present your order? Here is your Filipino breakfast, tocino with scrambled egg, mango, and coffee with cream. Is there anything else, sir?
None, thank you.
Sir, may I present your bill now?
Yes, please. Charge it in our room account. Thank you.
Do you have any request, sir?
None at the moment. Thank you, Ronnie. I have something for you.
Thank you so much for your thoughtfulness, sir. Should you need any assistance, just dial 1 and please let us know what time would you like us to come back for the food. Thank you so much and enjoy your meal. Have a nice day.